With Joomla, you can easily allow certain users of your site to submit articles. By default, all registered users are put into the registered role. You can, however, promote any user you like to the author role. You can then provide a menu item for them to submit content from the front end. Once submitted, you can then edit and publish it. So all you need to do to grant this special role to a user is to visit the user in the User Manager and change their group from registered to author. Once you have one or more author-level users, here's how to provide an article submission page for them. Since we've started to create a simple control panel, let's extend that to support an article submission page. Go to the menu items for the main menu. Now we'll add a new menu item under the Your Profile menu item. To do this, click New and select Articles. Under Articles, click the Article Submission Layout. This provides you a menu item that presents an editor to your author-level users. We'll call it Submit a Story. Let's select the parent item as Your Profile. We will set the access level to Special. Special simply means any user that ranks above registered user. That can mean authors, editors, publishers, or any administrator account. This is a great way to separate your simple registered users from your contributing users if you're adding menu items and modules in complex user control panels. The parameters here really give you any control over how the article submission page looks. They just happen to be here because this item falls under the article category of menu items and are not really relevant to this. You can safely ignore them. So let's save this and have a look. As you can see, the menu item now appears under the Your Profile menu. It gives us access to submit an article. It presents the author user with a simple article submission view using either the default editor or the one you specifically set for them when you edited them in the User Manager. Keep in mind that this is the same editor that you use in the Article Manager. It gives the author the ability to upload images into existing folders as well. While they can't delete anything, it does give them a view on what you have in your Media Manager. So keep that in mind before you grant just anyone author access. The author role also gets a set of publishing options just like what is available in the Article Manager. They can set the category, front page options, alias, publishing dates, and other article information. This may seem like a lot of options for just an author, but this is how the standard Joomla article submission process works. You can't change these options using the Joomla core, so keep this in mind if you're planning on using this functionality. If you need something simpler, there are Joomla extensions available for a more managed approach to content submission. You can dictate which sections they appear in, as well as other options geared towards a simple user-friendly content submission process. The article submission process for the Joomla core is definitely centered around more contributing site authors such as guest bloggers, columnists, or other outside content submitters that are expecting to see a more powerful and flexible interface. If you do need a simpler option, it is a good idea to try out one or more of the content submission extensions before settling on one.